What up, Outlaw? We in the building, you know. Shout out to my nigga Mo, man, Maurice. I didn't mean no disrespect by that last video, bruh. But, I mean, you is dark, nigga. I just had to state that, you know what I'm saying? And since you is so black, I got a question, my nigga. In the summertime when the sun's so high, like, do you get hot like leather seats? Like, like if we was on the basketball court, my dude, and and you threw me an alley oop and I put it down because that's what I do, and we chest bump, is it going to burn? Like, am I going to be burned because you're so black? Like, so the question is, do you get hot like leather seats? Like, if your girl were to go hug you, would she pull back real fast because, nigga, you're burning up because you're like leather? Just answer that question, you know what I'm saying? And it feels like I see you every time I blink. Like, just close your eyes. That's how black you are. So I feel like when I close my eyes, you're right there. I don't understand it. But it is what it is. I just answer the question, bro. You know what I'm saying? No disrespect. You my nigga, man. Shout out to all the dark, black ass niggas like Maurice, man. Y'all niggas do your thing. I'm glad I'm not that dark, but it is what it is. Shout out my nigga Shantae, man. Y'all niggas, we need this question answered, Mo. Listen, Mo, we need this question answered. Holla at me, bruh.